plenty of help.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Keep that water handy for it as
Not
well.
Not for you, but for the fire.
Or maybe both.
Exactly.
Yeah,
or both.
You take a swing.
There we go. There we go.
You're a busy man, so you have the potential of a fire, and you also have 2 hurricanes you're talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's very dry across East Texas. The drought monitor, in all seriousness, this is an opinion of mine, it does not reflect how dry it is, you know, with what we're hearing on the ground. You saw those pictures out of Rusk County there, and here's the culprit. Those dew points are nearly 50 degrees cooler than our regular air temperatures. So it's a very kind of western deserty feel out there right now, where it doesn't feel as bad as what it typically does when we have higher humidity values in East Texas. We're in the 80s right now. Dangerfield's at 83. It's 83 in Naples. And then as we look further off to the south, Lindale's at 86, and so is Chandler, Athens, and Noonday. Further off to the south and to the east, we just mentioned Rusk County. Henderson, you guys are at 87. It's 84 in Mount Enterprise, 84 in Nacogdoches. It's 83 in Appleby. And we are in the middle to upper 80s right now for parts of deep East Texas here. Trinity, for example, is at 88, and it's 87 right now in Groveton. Now, this was what I was talking about. It actually feels cooler than the actual air temperature. This is the heat index, so we're really not seeing a heat index, but your feels like value is in the lower 80s. So in actuality, it feels 3 to 4 degrees cooler if you were to go step outside right now. Here's tonight's forecast. 86 by 6 o'clock, 70s as we roll into the 10 o'clock hour, and we will see those mostly clear skies as well. We are tracking the tropics, and let's go ahead and zoom out, and we'll zoom back into what we are seeing across parts of Florida right now. And you can see that storm, a very potent, and unfortunately, this will continue on a northeast track, and as a result, I do anticipate this to strengthen because it has a lot of open waters. Now, the National Hurricane Center is issuing hour-by-hour advisories right now, and at the 5 o'clock hour, we are at 952 millibars. That has dropped 5 millibars, which is not a good sign, and the winds have maintained their strength. We're at 120 mile per hour winds, and movement is off to the north at about 10 miles per hour. Now, let's see the projected path. This is the cone of uncertainty. I would put a landfall as far north as Tampa Bay, Florida, or as far south as perhaps the Cape Coral or Fort Myers area. And look how strong this storm is by tomorrow afternoon. It's just off the shore near Sarasota with 130 mile per hour winds. That's good for a weaker Category 4 storm, but a very dangerous Category 4 storm. And this moves inland. Now, if this does track further to the east, as some of the models do indicate and project, this will reemerge into the Atlantic and then make another landfall as it moves up into Georgia and South Carolina, posing a wind, surge, and heavy rain threat. But, let's keep all the people of Florida in our prayers tonight, because this is going to be a major storm for them. Next 7 days, we are in the 80s. It's 87 tomorrow. And because the hurricane is going to be moving up into the southeastern U.S., we're well to the west of the hurricane by 1,000 miles or something like that. But again, we're going to see those northeasterly winds pick up because of that, and that's going to even further drop our temperatures and humidity Thursday and Friday. Only in the lower 80s there, making it the coolest days of fall so far. Lows will be in the 50s, and then we're in the upper 80s and lower 90s Monday and Tuesday. As we look at deep East Texas, similar trend. 80s across the board, some 90s expected early next week with perhaps a few clouds. But unfortunately at this point, Neil and Casey, rain chances look to be non-existent.
But still cool.